Introduce your friend, Ryan.
This is Timmy.
Who is he?
Timmy!
Jenny, just get out of this now.
Who is he?
Timmy! Ryan.
He's a chicken.
He's Ryan.
Is he the ticklish one?
He's Timmy!
Whoa.
Okay, well say hi to the folks in Texas.
5,000 next.
Hello, Mike. We got you on here too. Your wife's on the first of the tape, so we'll have you back.
Hello, Mimi and Papa.
Hello.
Can you say that a little brighter? Here's a sweatshirt Ryan did for his teacher. Good old Mickey Mouse, her favorite. So that's how you can chew your cereal, Ryan. Chew it real good. Look right into the camera and say hello.
Hello.
What do you do this morning?
Just a little, stitching.
Stitching a little? Great. That's fun, isn't it? What you and Daddy doing this morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. You still got some
people in the West, especially the scholarly community, and he's also known in Washington for this role, most specifically, most recently also.
I should be aware.
As an emissary to.
What are you doing?
But Edward Shevardnadze just resigned.
That's Steve Kerstar, senior Moscow bureau chief with an update on his breaking news.
Mr. I've stitched for you.
Say hello to Hannah and Aaron. Where are you?
I'll put that in my eye.
You want to put it on your eye? That would be fun, wouldn't it? Who put your ponytails in your hair?
I put it with Jenny.
Jenny did? Well, those are just really nice. Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yes.
Did you dream any?
No.
Did you stay in your own bed all night?
Yes.
Wow. Say I love you.
Hello, Hannah and Crystal.
Talk loud enough so they can hear you.
Hi, Donna. Hi, Becky.
See you later. I've got to go eat breakfast.
I'm going to do this for both of you.
Okay, we're going to wrap that up.
Donna,